Hello everyone, and welcome to this little review of the Wonderboom 2 by Ultimate Ears, a portable Bluetooth speaker that promises a big sound experience in a small form factor. Let's take a closer look. The Wonderboom 2 is a rather compact Bluetooth speaker that offers a nice selection of features such as a 360-degree sound, an outdoor boost mode, and the ability to connect multiple devices at the same time. If you have a second Wonderboom, you can pair them to get a nice stereo sound. On top of that, the speaker is IP67 certified. That means it is both water and dust proof. It is also drop resistant, and on top of all that, it can even float in case you're having a pool party with it. The design is pretty cool and comes in a large variety of colors. On the side we have two oversized volume buttons that look a little bit like a crucifix. On top of the speaker we have a power button, a Bluetooth pairing button, and a multifunction button in the middle to pause and skip a song. Unfortunately, it doesn't rewind. You also have this cute elastic strap that comes in handy when you're on the go. The battery is supposed to last 13 hours. I personally can confirm 11 hours, but variations like this are normal. So all in all, I'm satisfied with the battery life, especially for such a small device. To check the battery, you have to press both volume buttons at once, which makes a sound that varies depending on how much power you have left. A simple LED would have been a lot more practical solution to this. A real shame is the fact that it only has a micro USB port for charging. The speaker also lacks an aux input, which I consider a useful feature to have, even if many people claim it's outdated. On the bright side, the build quality is simply amazing. The speaker was clearly made with outdoor use in mind. I didn't test the speaker in water because there's already a lot of videos of that out there, but I did throw it around a bit to test its drop resistance. This thing really is a tank of a speaker. I think it's time for a little sound test. Please keep in mind that a recording doesn't really do any speaker justice, but it can be a nice thing to hear the device in action nonetheless. Please wear headphones for the best experience. Let's talk about the outdoor boost first. It's essentially an equalizer that cranks up the mids and highs of the speaker for it to travel a greater distance and give it a clearer sound. As a result, the bass is less prominent. I think that's a problem because even in normal mode the speaker lacks a bit of bass, which is probably due to its limiting size. Now for the size itself, it performs surprisingly well. I can't argue with that. But there are portable Bluetooth speakers out there that sound more full and bassier than the Wonderboom 2, simply due to their different design. I think the Wonderboom 2 shines in an outdoor situation. It's built to be treated rough and to be carried around wherever you go. The 360 sound is also very useful. You just put it in the center of a room, a picnic table or something similar, and everyone around the speaker gets the same listening experience. But if you're looking for something that packs a bit more punch at the expense of less portability, I would look somewhere else. That about wraps it up. If you have any feedback or just want to share your opinion on the speaker, a comment would make me very happy. You can also check out my other videos if you would like to. But for now, I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day.